Hello, my people. Hello, my lovely people. I know each and every channel or even every social media platform. Today, it's a day for me because I know everyone has been saying, but Tumsan is quiet, he's not saying anything. Today, I want to tell you the fact. I've worked so hard to make my name, which is my reputation. I've worked so hard to fight for this country with Sarafina. And then I made a platform for this world to be where it is. And then I happened to meet DOJA CAT, so-called DOJA CAT, but I named her Zandile. And then I've been sad, but no one knows what happened. But today, without a media briefing, guys, let me tell you, you can't be in a foreign country and find a woman, a white woman, with 3 kids, and then you make 2 kids with her, and then she becomes so lucky that she gives birth to the superstar. And then she gives information to the superstar that your father is not a good man. I'm talking about a white woman, Jewish woman. Today, I want to tell the world that I'm not going to be used by a white woman with 3 kids, that I was feeding those kids with the money of Sarafina. And my name and my reputation as a good man, I love my kids. I took care of her kids, Deborah. 3 kids, white kids. They hated me. And on top of that, I spoke to Deborah that I would love you to come home. And she came home. She met my family. But no one ever talked about that. And today, just because I gave birth to a superstar with money, and then it happened that white woman brainwashed my baby, that I left her. I never left my kid. And everyone saw it. She played the cards because of influence of her mother. She came to South Africa. She just got power to see me. And she faked it. So what I want to say is to say to you guys, I am sorry if I've touched anyone's nerve. I'm a man of integrity, respect, and love. Please don't hate my baby. Please don't say things to my baby. But know that I love her. She's the best artist. And she's been fed with evil by her mother. Peace.